Welcome to Lisa and Company and the Decorating with Lanterns collab. If you're hopping over from one of the other channels, then welcome. I hope you enjoy the video and you'll consider subscribing. Today, Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner has challenged us to decorate with lanterns. That's because Kenya, she loves her lanterns. So stay tuned and see how I take these IKEA lanterns into some winter wonderland fabulous. So many bits and pieces for what is actually not a complicated project. I have these two lanterns from IKEA. They usually live in our laundry room. Lots of snow related items like the pom-pom fringe, the faux snow, so many trees and bottle brush trees from different dollar stores and Walmart. I have this great floor cleaner is the only way to describe it. It's from Dollar Tree and it is so soft and furry and fuzzy. Now that I've used these, I can think of so many things I can use them for. And I have a couple of sleds because one of them is going inside after I detail it. I also have these little window clings and I'll show you what we're going to do with those at the end. So stay tuned and let's lantern it up, ladies. So first things first, Santa has to come off this sleigh. He's adorable, but not exactly what I'm looking for. So I picked this little guy up at Dollar Tree. I'm really hoping I can pop him off without destroying the entire sled. And I'm gonna use this little piece of balsa wood I pick up at Dollarama and see if I can turn this into a sled that I would use. I really need to pick one or the other. Are we talking about a sled or a sleigh? So from this moment on, it's officially a sleigh. Stick with me, folks. All right, we're gonna cut this little piece of balsa wood down so we can make a new top for the sleigh. Exactly. It cuts really well and I just went through with my knife, made a few cuts, and then I was able to bend it back and forth to get those pieces off. Once I've cut it to the right length, I am going to sand it. It does tend to chip a little bit on the edges, and then we have fun. What else do you use your plants for? Your fake greenery in your studio. It was the perfect size to make a circle for the top of the sleigh, and then I was able to glue it all together. Time to get this baby painted, and yes, if you've been watching my previous videos, you've noticed I'm using this a lot. It's a test pot from Restoration Hardware and I happen to absolutely love the gray, so it's kind of become my theme color for this year's holiday decorations. You're gonna see a lot more of it over the next couple of videos too. Now I have another filler for the taller lantern. It's this crossed ski ornament, but it needs a base in order to help it stand up. So, as usual, Jenga blocks to the rescue. I went ahead and dry brushed over the gray paint on the sleigh with some white paint, and now I have picked out a beautiful snowflake ornament that we're going to stick right on top. I'm so excited to get this all put together. Although my sleigh is a little bigger than I anticipated in the small lantern, I totally think it will do the trick. I have mounded up and placed all those pieces of floor cleaner in there with some pom-poms on top and then even some ornaments. The bottle brush trees fit just so, and I'm going to put a few of these window clings on the outside of the lantern. Winter Wonderland, beautiful. This little table in the corner of our family room was calling out for something just like this. I am all set once it's time for Christmas decorating to get started to Christmas these up a little bit more. In the meantime, as far as I'm concerned, they are winter wonderland. Nothing like skis set in what looks like fresh powder and a sleigh that looks like you want to go bombing down a hill. I really enjoyed putting these together, and I thank Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner for putting this challenge together. Thanks, Kenya. Love that you guys love lanterns. If you've come over from another channel, please be sure to say hi in the comments. Let me know where you're coming from and hit that subscribe button so you know every time we upload a new video. Thanks for stopping by Lisa and Company, and we'll see you next time.